This week on You Could, my Monday is. Mondays don't just begin our week, they reveal how society actually works. And at River State Internal Revenue Service, Mondays aren't just about paperwork alone, they're about compliance and responsibility. So, today on my Monday is, we're asking about tasks and what is to be known about tasks. Welcome, this is my Monday is at the River State Internal Revenue Service. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing? I'm fine. Okay, I'm Viva. What's the name? My name is Anita Boms. Anita Boms. Okay. What is your position here? Well, I am a data analyst slash a tax professional. Oh, okay. What does that entail? Well, as a data analyst, you have to derive data from taxes that are being generated. Okay. So when you derive those taxes, you will now arrange them in the form which an individual can access, can be able to deduce something from it. Oh, okay. How long have you been data analyst and tax professional? I've been 10 years. 10 years. Ooh, that's a decade. That's a long time. You have quite an experience when it comes to tax. Yes, I do. It's today is Monday, okay? How would you say Monday actually feels to you? Would you say Monday is like the favorite day of the week? No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Okay. But it's a very busy and hectic day. Oh. Mondays are usually very tied up and a little bit stressful, if I may say. Yeah. So because definitely not your best day. No, it's not. It's not. My best day is Friday. Of course. Okay, when you start up, for what time would you say? What actually starts your work on Monday? When you get to the office on Monday, depending on what happened in the previous week, there are some carryover jobs that you bring into the Monday. Okay. So if you have some leftover jobs that you haven't done, as you resume on Monday, you start with that first. Okay. Before you start attending to clients that are coming to inquire or clients that have not paid their taxes, that don't know how to go about it, you explain to them what to do, what not to do, how to go about it, and where to pay. So first of all, like right now, we are on annual returns, filing of annual returns season. It will be running up this weekend. Like now, I have some that are carryovers that haven't finished for the weekend. So as I came in today, I was trying to arrange them before some clients started coming in and they're asking questions. They want to know about it. Some that even wants to file that they've not paid, they don't know what to do. They have some new clients that came in, they don't know how to go about it. You explain all that to them, you put them through and tell them what to do so that they will know how to go about all the steps. Yeah, so would you say the typical questions you guys get here on a Monday or any other day is basically what tax is about? Like we are not in the head office, okay, where we basically do everything. Though we do, but it's not like when you are in the head office. It's an outstation, it's a substation. Okay. So what we normally do here, we do driver's license. We attend to clients that want to do a driver's license. We also do car renewal papers. Okay. Then some clients that are around that don't know about taxes, they come to inquire. Some of them also want to come and file their tax clearances. They want to get a tax clearance. We also do that for them. Okay. Like some will come, okay, I just opened a company. I stay around this vicinity. I don't know what to do. They just said there's an office here. I should come here and come and inquire. It's our duty to put you through because some of them they misunderstand River State tax and federal tax. Oh, could you tell us the difference with River State tax and like federal tax? For River State tax, if you are an individual that is resident in River State, okay, you've been resident for more than 3 to 6 months, you're liable to pay your taxes here. Oh, yes. Okay. But if you are not resident here, you are like, and there's this word we call it, I've forgotten the name. You go and come. You are not permanent in Port Harcourt. Then we wouldn't pin you here to pay your tax because you don't spend more than 90 days in River State. So 2 to 6 months is the yes, 90 days max. 90 That's 3 months. Yeah. If you stayed up, you are liable to pay your taxes here. It belongs to the state. Okay, but are there people who live in a different state and pay tax in a different state? There are some that don't know what else. They don't really know what to do.
That's called double taxation because they will also pay in that state where they are resident in. But if they are not resident, like for instance, you do a business here in River State,
Okay.
but you are not resident in River State, but your income is being generated here,
Yeah, in River
you
State.
pay your tax
You pay
here in
your
River
tax.
State because that income you got was from the state. You didn't get it in where you were resident. Like you see some people they long side in the sea and is in River State, they do business here. They're not going to pay their tax to another state.
Exactly.
Even though their feet is not, but the business was done here. They're supposed to pay the taxes here. Then for federal, if it's a limited liability company,
Okay.
you file your returns to federal. Then you pay, maybe if you don't have staffs that are working under you, as a director, you pay your director's tax to the state because you're a resident here.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
You pay your director's tax. Director's tax is paid once a year, on or before the March 31st of every new year.
Okay.
So you pay the
That's
tax here, it belongs to River State. But if you have clients that are working, employees that are working under you, their taxes are paid to River State, not to federal.
Okay. So businesses, say people who are not in companies, say businesses, small business owners and market women, what type of tax is required of them?
Theirs is like what would I call it? It's not like I will not say it's paying tax.
Okay.
They will just pay like the director's tax because they own the business. It's a sole proprietor business. It's owned by them.
Okay.
Like these market women, most of them, the money they generate are very minute, it's small. Like this new tax law, they are not liable to pay taxes. So they are kind of exempted.
Oh,
Yes, because this new tax law, the tax law is helpful to smaller organizations. But those ones that their taxes are high, their money also high.
come high.
Yes.
Okay.
So now for individuals that maybe own businesses, they just come and they pay their director's tax. They come, they tell us how much they generate for the year. We do the computation and tell them how much it just once. So anything we're doing, we times it by 12. It's 12 in a month, in
Yeah.
a year. So we calculate it by 12. Then we decide how much they will pay. Sometimes we do best of judgment, that's BOJ. If you know, some of them will not want to tell you the exact amount they make. They
I
lie.
was going to
They
ask that.
lie. So we assess them based on what we are seeing. Like for instance,
okay.
you came in with one Porsche car. We've seen the
Oh,
kind of car that you drove. Maybe that kind of car costs like 10 million naira.
okay.
You dressed properly. Like if it's for a lady like you now, you're looking gorgeous.
Oh my God,
Your
thank
hair,
you.
the wig you wear is expensive. Your jewelry is expensive. So we do best of judgment. That's where best of judgment comes in.
Oh, okay. Would that also be part of the tax? I mean, what if these items that they have on may be borrowed or a gift? Or, I mean, are there really ways that you guys can actually determine what one
You
is
coming
declaring?
to an office like this regarding your tax issues, you should know better. Because we are judging by what we see. That's why it's called best of judgment.
Okay.
Like for instance, if we don't see all those things and maybe we ask you some questions like where you live, if you are living in this high-rise zone like a Pitodili Road, GRA, Phase 2, we know that houses there are very expensive.
Expensive.
So for
Okay.
you to live there,
Calculated guess.
or maybe your business is situated there, you should be doing well. We ask you the kind of school your children attend. If you have a family, what kind of school do they attend? And we create the kind of school. We see like, okay, for instance, maybe they go to Beraton or they go to any top school that you know the money is high. So we'll be able to know what
So
to
should they
use.
lie? What are there measures you guys can
No, you know,
can use to assess that? Because I mean, people can disguise themselves and decide to look a particular way because they want to avoid.
and that's what I'm saying now.
So, and
Maybe,
that's
like
the-
now you didn't dress properly. You
Okay.
came and we are seeing that this person might be lying. I have money. Where do you live?
So it means that
Definitely, you're
you
not going
guys
to
have a
lie.
very big skill of of catching people in the wrong
Definitely, if we ask you
category.
where you live, you're not going to lie where you live because you don't know why we're asking you that.
Yeah.
We ask,
What would you say gives you more pressure on a Monday? The system or the customers or the taxpayers?
not really. I don't really have pressure per se. It's just the number of clients you attend to on a Monday. That's what really gives me pressure.
So it's
It's not like
higher.
On a Monday is higher because some were waiting for the day to resume. That's on Monday for the week to begin so that they can come and do their stuffs that they want to do. Some of them that wants to inquire on how to go about what they want to do also. So the pressure is kind of much on a Monday.
Okay. So my last question will be my Monday in one word. If you can describe your Monday in one word, what would you say is my Monday is?
My Monday is hectic.
Okay.
Very hectic.
Very hectic. Thank you very much, ma'am.